All right, let's talk about one of the biggest headaches for any creator out there, that never-ending need for new content. I'm going to show you this amazing strategy called the content repurposing waterfall. Seriously, it's all about helping you create so much more content, but by actually working less. Does this sound familiar? You post something, it does great, you get all this awesome engagement, and then boom, the pressure is right back on to come up with the next big thing. It feels like you're on a treadmill that just won't stop, and it's a fast track straight to burnout. And yeah, that's the content creation grind in a nutshell. It's this idea we have that every single thing we post, every video, every tweet, it's got to be this brand new, groundbreaking idea that we pull out of thin air. And honestly, that kind of pressure is just exhausting. It's totally unsustainable. But hang on a second. Let's just pause and ask a really important question here. What if we're looking at this whole thing the wrong way? What if the secret of all those super successful, prolific creators isn't that they have an endless supply of new ideas, but that they're just way, way better at using the ideas they already have? And that, right there, is the secret weapon. It's a complete shift in how you think. See, the goal isn't just to create. It's about smart transformation. It's about taking one really great idea and giving it a bunch of different lives. This brings us to the big idea, content repurposing. You can think of it as the art of taking one big foundational piece of content, say a really in-depth YouTube video or a podcast episode, and then slicing and dicing it into a bunch of different formats, each one perfectly tailored for a specific platform. And it all starts right here. Just one really solid, value-packed piece of what we call anchor content. This is your starting block. This is the foundation for everything else. And from that one single foundation, you can build an entire universe of content. No joke, we're talking 15, 20, maybe even 25 unique individual pieces. The difference is just staggering, isn't it? This is what working smarter actually looks like. So how do you actually do it? Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the actual framework. It's called the waterfall strategy, and the name is just perfect. Just picture your big idea sitting at the very top of a waterfall, and then watch as it flows down, splitting off into this powerful stream of content. So here's how it all breaks down. You start at the top, right, with your anchor content, your big YouTube video. From that, you pull out maybe 3 to 5 short clips. These are perfect for grabbing attention on Reels, TikTok, and Shorts. Then you take a key idea from the video and design a carousel post, which is amazing for teaching something step-by-step on Instagram. That video transcript, that becomes a killer blog post, which is great for your SEO. You can pull out the best one-liners for some awesome quote graphics. Those are super shareable. And finally, you can use the main points to kick off conversations in Threads or on LinkedIn. See how it just cascades down. Now, I know what you might be thinking. That still sounds like a lot of work, but here's where things get really cool. This is where technology becomes your secret weapon. You can actually automate a massive part of this whole process using AI, making it ridiculously fast and efficient. Let me introduce you to an absolute game changer. It's called Opus Clip. This tool is basically built for the waterfall strategy. Its one and only job is to watch your long videos, find the absolute best, most engaging, most viral-worthy moments, and then automatically chop them up into short, ready-to-share clips for you. And using it is so easy. You literally just feed it your video. You can upload it or even just paste in the YouTube link. Then the AI does all the heavy lifting, scanning for those golden nuggets. Then it automatically cuts the clips and slaps on captions. All you have to do is give them a quick look, maybe make a tiny tweak here or there and hit download. A 30-minute video can turn into 10 or more clips in just a few minutes. It's wild. Now, to get the absolute best results, here are a couple of pro tips for you. The AI is smart, but you're smarter. Try to pick the clips that have a really strong hook in the first 3 seconds. That's everything for short-form video. And always give the auto captions a quick once-over for accuracy. And if you want to look extra professional, you can add your own branded intro or outro before you post them everywhere. Okay, so we've got the strategy down, and we've got a killer tool for video. But what about all the other stuff? The carousels, the tweets, the newsletters? Well, I want to give you something you can use right now to build out the entire rest of your waterfall. This is where a good AI prompt is worth its weight in gold. Seriously, just take this, master prompt number 10. You can copy this thing and paste it directly into a tool like ChatGPT. All you do is fill in your topic, paste a quick summary or the main points from your original content, and then just let it go to work. And just look at what this thing gives you.
It's not just a couple of ideas, it's practically a whole content calendar in one go. You get 3 scripts for short videos, a full concept for a 10-slide carousel, 5 punchy quotes ready for graphics, 3 tweets, a draft for your email newsletter, even ideas for your Instagram stories. It literally builds out the entire waterfall we just talked about, all from one simple little prompt.
So there you have it. That's the whole playbook. You've got the waterfall strategy, you've got AI tools like Opus Clip for your videos, and you've got a master prompt for pretty much everything else. The only question left is, what's that first big piece of content you're going to transform?